Welcome everyone. Today I am doing an unboxing. I don't do this very often. It has to be something like that really grabs my attention and that I think that you would be interested in. Boy, to just grab my attention. It's called Rose Forever, New York. Rose Forever. I haven't opened it. It's a velvet box, which right away is like, I love it. So we're going to go ahead and open it, and then I'm going to read just a little bit about the company. So, if you want to purchase them, you know, I will give you a coupon code for $25 off, and that is good for 30 days from whenever the video is posted, and I will mark the date. It's going to be posted today, November 1st. But anyways, and then they just did a campaign for breast awareness for in the month of October, where they were giving $2 off, or $2 towards breast cancer awareness, and I like that a lot. I wish I would have done this video a little earlier, but here we go. So let's unbox it, and then let's read about it. Dun 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 dun. I love the box. Wow. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. They smell like they were just picked. Literally, they smell like they were just picked in this beautiful box they come in. So these roses last up to a year. Look at that. I think this is the position I will keep them in. Let's just take a moment and read about the company. Not long, but I want you to know. Okay. So first of all, there is a code or a coupon, and it will be Archangel25. I'll have all that below, right in the detail. But let's read about the company. So, Rose Forever is a New York-based brand launched in 2019. We design luxurious rose boxes with natural roses that will last for a year, as if being freshly picked. Wow. Right there. And they smell like they've been freshly picked. Okay. We use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional flowers artisans. All the materials we use to cover the boxes are vegan. That's good to know. Even the pink suede and the black velvet. Our preserved roses in special colors: violet, black, and royal blue. Oh my gosh, I think I got to get that. Are created through a natural process of pigmentation to keep the rich, intense shade, and all allergen-free. There is an enormous choice of rose colors and box shapes or materials, so you have to find your own perfect combination for your interior design. That's why I chose pink, because I have like a nice shade of pink curtains, which is normally not the color I would go for. I don't know what I was going through. Anyway, so there's an enormous choice of colors and box shapes or materials, so you can just find your perfect combination for your interior design. We've got inspired by Parisian chic style and have developed multiple design options due to customers and influencers' feedback. Beautiful. So your feedback counts. Again, I wish you could smell them. Just know that they will now be at our table somewhere in our room. And I thank Rose Forever for considering me and considering us for this opportunity. So I will let that be. I hope those who do order them, I hope you love them. I love them. I just love them, and I love them, the pink against the black. I don't know, I just love that. And then I'm thinking, ooh, blue. You know, blue, that would be nice. So I may go back and use my own coupon. Anyways, guys, I thank you. I love you. I'll see you next time at our table. Bye-bye.